Today we're going to talk about the hunchback, the humpback. What are the symptoms so you can be sure that you don't have it, you're not getting it, and if you know someone that is, we can help them out. So, the first symptom of that hunchback is you have an illusion of being older. So, when you're out of alignment, the neck gets shorter, the shoulders come forward. When the head is no longer level sitting on the head, and the head is now dropped forward in that round back position, the eyes bulge forward of your head because your survival tools will always keep your eyes at horizon for survival. So if your whole face is pointed downward, your eyes kind of sag. So you're going to look older because you're going to start to have drooping eyelids, saggy double chin effect. You're going to collect lymphatic fluid, which will bring fat here, so you get that double chin. Yes, double chin is posture. It's not hereditary. I have news for you. Right, I'm starting with the aesthetic stuff, right? But of course, that hunchback is also going to give you neck pain. It can give you shoulder pain. It can give you arm pain, elbow pain, wrist pain, because now the whole line, the whole chain is out of alignment. And so you're going to start to have issues in these areas. These are some of the symptoms that you may have, okay? So you may also feel tired all the time. Are you tired when you wake up in the morning? Yeah. So that can be a symptom of the hunchback because of the way that it affects the breathing, that it literally collapses the front of the chest. So all day, each breath you take creates more effort. So the body starts to breathe more shallow and it starts to limit that oxygen intake and your body feels tired all the time. You may also experience a shortness of breath when you're doing something not even too much of an exertion, like 5 or 8 steps, and you find you're out of breath climbing a little staircase or bending over and picking up something off the floor. A few times you're picking up a couple of grocery bags and you're out of breath. That could be caused by the hunchback. So an exercise that we can do against that is you're going to stand up, bring against the wall, to find a nice clear wall, bring your feet about 8 or 12 inches away from the wall, and then bend the knees and lean your butt and your upper back against the wall. Bend your elbows and try to see if you can gently get both of your shoulders against the wall. Keep squeezing that stomach without holding the breath, and gently see if you can now bring your head against the wall. So what we're trying to do is uncurl that posture gently. The further away your feet are from the wall, you're going to be bending your knees, yeah? The easier it is. So as you start to work on this and straighten up, you can start to bring your feet closer to the wall. Eventually, you should be able to get your heels 1 inch or so from the baseboard of the bottom of the wall, your butt against the wall. You're going to squeeze your stomach and get your low back against the wall, elbows, shoulders, and head. That is the ultimate goal. But while you're doing it, you're going to get that elbow against the wall, whatever range you've got, and you're going to start to bring the hands outward in what is called serving tea or vodka, whatever you want. Just pretend that you have a little cup of coffee or shot of vodka or whatever in the hand, and you're serving it back without letting the hand drop, without letting the wrist flick, without letting the shoulders, the elbows, the back, the head leave the wall. So try to gently and smoothly do 10 or 15 of these every day when you first wake up, in between your work hours, and at the end of the day, so you can start to unravel some of that rounding of the spine. This is Pilates Master Nikki, and I'll see you in class.